.com. All right, so Bernie,
Yeah.
single payer.
Yeah.
What is his dream, and how would this affect us?
He is talking about a national health plan.
What does single payer mean?
One insurance company that covers everybody.
Mm-hmm. One national.
Like Medicare for everybody.
Right.
Okay. And given how messed up things are now with Obamacare and how piecemeal and how fragmented and how fractured everything is, we've moved in a direction that actually a national plan probably would be a significant improvement. The problem is, here's the problem with all of this stuff, which is we're not England. We're a gigantic country. We are gigantic and diverse. And the market has sort of helped us with that, right? As opposed to the opposite would be every person has a fund that they use to buy their own health insurance with, right?
Right.
That's the contrary position, which is we let people manage their own stuff as opposed to having mommy manage it for us, Big Daddy. Now, Medicare is one of the most popular government agencies in history. It's been very popular. So the thinking would be, well, why don't we just extend that out to everybody? What's the big deal? Why is it such a big deal? And I would argue that in principle they're not wrong. However, what you're getting is a gigantic bureaucracy. And everybody think carefully. What's the difference between totalitarianism and bureaucracy? It's the same thing.
Right.
So you're really moving towards totalitarianism. And is that what we want? Is that the kind of country you want? Are we want to be different than? Do we want to be a social democracy? So it's not a bad idea. And by the way, what will happen to physicians and pharmaceutical companies and hospitals? It'll initially be good times, and then they'll start cranking it down. And then patients will eventually not be seeing doctors. You only see doctors when you really need it. Otherwise, you'll be seeing what we call physician extenders because they'll have to save money. They'll have to.
What is, I don't know what his tax plan is. Just tax everybody who makes over $200,000 at 75% or something?
Yep. We're going to have to move to Nevada or Tennessee or someplace with no state tax.
To offset that?
Yeah.
All right.
So see you in Nashville.
Okay. Well, that'll be fine. I applaud his sincerity.
I like the way he's likable, right? I like the way he thinks. I like the way he questions things.
I like the way he wants to do away with big this and big that. I just don't get, and I still can't get, after so many examples of everything sort of turning to shit, why we don't let the free market. I mean, I get the part about, look, I don't like big loopholes for big pharma and big whatever. And a big everything. Anyway, nobody does.
Close them up.
Yeah. I don't like that. I like the corporate tax rate to come down. So, like these companies are moving offshore. They're companies. They're trying to make money. You know the weirdest thing.